if you want to, USD CNH, if it comes up and hit, we're gonna get in that guy. Hit and go where we want it. All right, keep looking. So these family, I've been kind of testing these out here lately. Not gonna lie to you. So let's say we missed the first one. Normally we get in that first one, we skip the second one. We normally skip the second candle because it's normally still going while while the first one that we just got in is going, and then we normally get in at the top of the third candle. But right there, as you see, it's already lower than it's lower than already lower than the middle entry. This is how the 7 a.m.s will work. We'll get on now. Mondays will be the basics. For the people that need to be set up. They got questions. So I would assume Monday nights will be kind of like just my basic calls, and then Tuesday through Thursday we at it. We in the markets. And like I say, y'all, well, I haven't said this, but listen, y'all. This is one strategy that I can 100% say works with you just having it in your hand, like just in the car, y'all. Only thing about it, only thing that's hard about doing it in the car is just changing that hedge amount. Because my hands, I don't know why my hands are tripping when it comes to just changing the amount of the hedge. But other than that, as long as you set up the indicators, man, you can do this in the car on your phone, or not while you drive, but while somebody else drive. But man, you can literally do this from your phone. Because all you doing, especially once you get your eyes right. All right, let's go to Ton Coin OTC. Ton Coin OTC. It's about to hit. It just hit. You still got 41 seconds. Listen, if it comes back above the middle Keltner, don't get in until it comes back down below it, right? Because we're looking for it to shoot back up this way. So if you got in up here, it's kind of defeating the purpose. So you can get in right now because it's still below. All right, we got 40 seconds left in this candle. All right, well, not 40 seconds left in this candle. We got 40 seconds left in this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my 1 hour. Like I said, this ain't nothing you got to do. This just gives me a little confidence, as just in case I get to that fourth hedge. I'm like, oh Lord, am I gonna lose? I'm gonna win. Like, just give me that just added confidence. And then I'll go to the 15, see if I got anything on the 15. I do have something right here. That's blue. Look like we're about to win it though. I think we did. Did anybody see if did anybody get in that one or no? Yeah, I won it. Kingdom clears. All right, here we go, y'all. EURNZD. If it come back down, we're gonna get in it when it hit. We in there. Okay, we in there. I'm gonna clear all this out. Let's see what we got. Like we're gonna win a whole lot of $1 trades tonight. And I know it's tempting to put more on it, but I just be smart with your account. You know your account. You know how you like to trade. You know what your account can hold. Like I say, I do my hedge amounts are 1.5. 1, 5, 10, 25, 50. So, you know, do what you desire, but just be smart. Another dub. Now I'm like it's about to shoot on up. Any questions? So y'all, these I kind of stay away from. If I'm looking at this one, I mean, it's definitely respecting the middle Keltner. You got some wicks right here, um, but it just look a little sketchy. Let's see what that 5 minute look like. See what the hour look like. Some good wicks. Wicks equal rejection, so we know that it's gonna be hard for it to come all the way down here because of all these wicks it gotta go through. So once I go through all the candles, I mean all the patterns, what they call y'all, all the pairs one time, I normally go back through here and see if any new 92s have popped up and if any of my ones that I had already have went down. And as you see, some have, some haven't. A lot of the stocks went up and down. So then I start back over, go back to the front. Oh, I almost got it there. Remember, we're looking for the EMA first. Is that EMA below current price? Yes. So we know we're only looking for buys off that middle Keltner. Okay. We know we're only looking for buys. If it had came down, we would have got in that guy. We got a good master candle right here.
Look at MAD USD.
MAD
USD.
MAD USD.
I'm not sure if it's gonna come back down.
Now y'all see how I have two blue lines right here? Those are 15-minute master candle lines. So somewhere there's a master candle. It might be far away. Yeah, it look like that one's far away. Probably someone might have done a while back. But you see all these wicks right here? That's a telltale sign that that thing probably about to shoot if it comes back down. And what y'all, I hope y'all see that I'm putting my lines on the master candle. Sometimes like this blue line right here is a 15-minute time, right? But it's got 1 and 2 master candles on the 5 minute on it. It's a 15-minute master candle line, but it got 2 other 5 minute master candles on it. So I'll normally go in, click on that one, make that thing thicker. So I know, hey, when it hit this line, oh, that thing should go the other way for sure. Because and then if you look on the 1 minute, you got 1, 2, 3, 4-ish, 4 master candles on that specific line. Like I tell man, all I want to tell people if they want to trade, if you know how to play Simon Says, and you pay you excuse me, you can listen and listen what I tell you to do, you can do this. Especially if you don't want to learn a skill. Why? this keep happening? Pocket option be doing some crazy stuff. All right, so I'm just looking at my 5 right now. I mark up the top and the bottom of it. Like I said, you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what I like to do to give myself a little bit more peace about the trade, especially if it goes in a deeper hedge, deeper hedge amount. All right, let's go 15. So I got what? I got 39 seconds left. So 26 seconds. So I'm getting ready to go in for my second hedge, which is $5. I'm gonna go in and mark up some of these. And that is a lot of lines, right? That's a lot of lines to be trying to put on your chart. So that's why I say you don't have to do this, but it just gives me a little bit more comfort. Now, I would definitely love for these lines to be blue or red. Why? Because our master candle setup is going to definitely weigh a lot more than a 1 minute time frame master candle setup, right? So getting ready for my $10 hedge, and this one don't go up, which it look like it want to. I believe if it go back above that 15 minute, if it goes back up above that 15 minute line, I think we will be good. But right now, it's playing between the two. Hop on up there. Hop, 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 hop. Yeah. Appreciate you. Anybody actually trading with me, or y'all just watch? Trying to make sure y'all doing it the right way on your own. Either is fine. It's been a long day. Good God Almighty. All right, let's look at USD RUB. We got about 28 seconds, like it's about to touch. RUB, USD, RUB, USD, RUB, USD, RUB, USD, RUB. Oh man! But if y'all see, if you look to the left, it's a lot of wicks, right? Wicks equal rejection. That's a lot that is trying to fight through to get to our entry point. And if you look left, this must be a very strong area on the higher time frame because it's a lot of wicks over here too. And as I said, we know that wicks equal rejection. All right, let's go to our USD CNH. USD CNH. USD CNH. Oh man, like it went the other direction too. And it did. All good. All good. All right, let's see what this is. This is gonna come down. The one we just caught out earlier. MAD USD. on down here, boy. Stop playing. Feel like you want to come. I'm looking at currently what I'm looking at even before I get into this trade. I see two master candle setups right here at the entry point if it were to come down, which if you see these wicks that haven't came down to the middle Keltner are literally playing off of these lines, right? They're playing off of these lines, right? So let's keep going. Well, I'm gonna wait and see if it actually come down a little bit for this last candle. It might try to bust down. Then we got and then another good, not confirmation, but a good sign of a good trade. We got uh, a zone right here under it. But not only do we have a zone right here, if you look to the left of that zone, it's respected. It's a respectable zone, right? So we can expect that if it was to come all the way down here, that it would break, right? I mean, not break through. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. If you ain't gonna break through, it's gonna hit and go back up. Come on, stop. I got 29 seconds. As long as this doesn't pop back up. Hold on. Somebody put something in the chat. Oh, you got in. Oh, you just cleared? Oh, that was earlier. Mad USD. Let me put this down here so I can make sure I put it in the chat. But if y'all see that, all right, no matter what, even if we not, hopefully we don't lose it. But y'all see how these two came down? What they do? Let's look. They literally respected a 5-minute master candle. That yellow line right there is the master candle right here. And if we go back to the 1 minute, these came down, hit that line, and literally turned around. So, marking up on that higher time frame, like I say, you don't have to, but it can give you, it could possibly give you some even better entries, especially if, how me and Brian, we started off trading before we did middle Keltner. But we used to, if we saw two lines together like this close, oh, we would get in that trade. Especially if it was, well, I was trading against the trend heavy then, but now that I'm learning to not do that as much. Come on, stay up, stay up, stay up for 5 seconds. God darn it. I think I broke even. I should have stayed out of that one. Anybody still in it? Or no?
I'm still in.
There we go. Keep on up. God darn it. Big put push up, big push up, big push up. Need that. Let's go. Everybody clear. Everybody good. Everybody got in it. Made sure they got in at the top of the candle. If you got in at the top of the candle, you should be good. As long as you got in at the top of the candle. Let's go. Let's look at this is CAD JPY. What you think about this, B? Yes or no?
Well, what we was discussing earlier, I mean, there's no touches on the middle Keltner. So if it pushed down, it's probably gonna be some big candles, but it should reverse. I mean, you got a master candle to your left. Um, you actually got two, and then you got that zone, strong zone underneath. So if it do touch, it's gonna go the other way. I mean, it's still a good trade, but I would. It's a good trade for you. I don't know about myself.
Next trade. Next trade. All right, so I went through it again. Let me check, see if anything new popped up, which it did. A lot of them actually. Take this one off. And like I was telling Brian earlier as well, you know, I have been doing more 90, 91s, especially when I've been clicked through like 3 or 4 times and there aren't any 92s that are doing what I want. Me and Brian was also talking about that today too, like, you know, just being patient, because I mean, there's so many 92% that's going to give you what you want. Sorry, y'all. Boeing Company, OTC. You still got about 40 seconds if it stay above the middle Keltner. Boeing Company still got about 33 seconds. I'm gonna go and see what we're looking at, like on the higher time frames. And y'all, oh man, if y'all have any questions about what I'm doing, how am I doing it, what am I looking at, you know, just definitely don't feel free to ask. Did I lose that? While I'm still marking up and stuff. Oh, I won that one. See, this one of them days you just been the whole you got on $1 trade, you be like, oh, I need to go for goddamn the whole account. Don't do it.
It's the setup.
Don't do it. Let's see what USD RUB gonna do. So I just color coordinated. Basically, that's the only reason why. Reason why it's pink is because pink is what I use for 1 minute. My 1 minute lines or boxes or whatever case may be. So I just want y'all to know that's the only reason why I made that box pink, so that if I do mark up on a higher time frame, I can see if there's something that's similar there, and this gives me, the more lines or the more boxes in one given area, you know, like I say, it's not something you have to do, but it just gives you more confirmation that okay, it's almost certain that the market is probably going to turn around at some point in this area, especially if there's a lot of wicks in that area. And I think it kept going down, so it might be better to come up this time. USD or UB, if you don't go up there and touch that, not going middle Keltner, you better. Thank you. Oh, come on. Oh, that would have been a sniper entry if you would have caught that one. Even though it didn't
Caught
touch.
it. If
Caught
you
it.
set a pending trade like right on that line, it'll catch those snipers for you.
I forgot about that. You are correct. What mouse batteries are low? I need me some more batteries. What kind of batteries it use? Probably AAA. Or double A. No, listen, pushing. I'm getting a little nervous. Oh, it's 76%. We're at 54% now. Y'all be aware of that. I'm gonna try to drop that low. I'm gonna try that one. I want to get in it, but let's see what that higher time frame look like. I got 10 seconds. Chill. We'll give this 36 seconds. See what happens. I'll probably get in on this at the end of this candle because it is the second candle. So and it's coming off of a master candle bottom. Well, it's testing the master candle bottom. 3, 2, 1. And I got a middle Keltner on the, what is this, the 5 minute? Now let's go see what the 1 minute talking about. A lot of master candles in this area. If it breaks this area, we might be doomed. But as for now, it can stay inside. If it can stay in this area right here, if it can stay in this area, we can keep it from breaking this area right here. We'll be okay. Keep going up. Yes, sir. I like them type. You stay up there. You bring your butt down here. YouTube, we're gonna end on that note. I'll see y'all in the next episode.